ng Tanggaw ng Kabataang Pilipino mula kina
Iniimbitahan si Binibining Paraluman Pagkalustan, Binibini Elenita Nabor Hermoso, at Assistant Professor Maria Teresa D. Fernandez, ang narabi ng Gawad Tanlac.
ang Gawad Elenita Nabor Hermoso para sa Tanglaw ng Kabataang Pilipino ay ginagawad kay Ginoong Danny Pangilinan.
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Kumusta naman kayo? Ngayon kayo? Maraming salamat po, Gawad Tanglaw, sa award na ito. Thank you as well to my ABS-CBN family, my Star Magic family, my new family, Pangilinan family. Thank you so much for being a part of my life. And magsasabihin ko dito. This is such a humbling recognition. Honestly, I'm still figuring things out myself. I still have so much to learn. I still will make mistakes. I am and will always be a work in progress, so this is very much appreciated. Maraming salamat po. Katulad ng sinabi ni Tito Noel, it's been a crazy year in the Philippines, to say the least. Minsan nakakawalang gana pag nanonood tayo ng news o yung mga trending sa social media. Madali na lang isipin siguro kung ganito na lang ba talagang bansa natin. Pero para sa akin, kahit hindi pa natin kayang pag-uwin yung buong bansa natin at ganun lang, kaya pa rin natin maging ilaw sa maliliit natin mga mundo. Sa pamilya natin, sa school, sa trabaho natin, at syempre sa maayos na pakikitungo sa kapwa natin. And honestly, you don't need to be powerful, you don't need to be famous, you don't even need to be perfect. You just need to walk through life together and be a bit more kind to one another. Maraming salamat po. God bless.
Maraming salamat, Juan Pangilinan and Dr.